Today in this video we are going to learn how to prove that square root of 2 is an irrational number. Before starting with the question, let's understand what are rational numbers. So rational numbers are the numbers that are of the form p by q, where this q is not equal to 0, and these p and q, they are integers, and p and q, they don't share any common factor. So we will be proving square root of 2 is an irrational number by using the contradiction method. Contradiction method, that we will be assume that square root of 2 is a rational number. So let's assume that square root of 2 is a rational number. So if it's a rational number, so we can say that it is of the form p by q square. So it is equal to p by q, where these p and q are integers, q is not 0 and they don't have any common factor. Now square both the sides, we get 2 is equal to p square by q square. From here we can say that p square is equal to 2 into q square. Now if we observe this equation carefully, from here we can say that p is a even number. P is even number, as we observe it has a multiple 2, it's a factor 2. So if p square is even, so what can we say about p? Let's understand with the help of the example. If I'm saying 16 is an even number, 16 is even, and 16 is a square of 4, it means square of 4 is even. From here, can we see that 4 is also even? Yes. Using the same approach, we can say that p is also even number. If p is also even number, so we can say that p is of the form 2 into m, where m is any integer. Now let's square this again. We get p square is equal to 4m square. Use this relation and put it in this equation. So from here we can see that 4m square is equal to 2 into q square. If we simplify this, we get 2m square is equal to q square. We can say that q square is equal to 2 into m square. Now observe this equation. From here we can again say that q square is even. If q square is even, it means q is, yes, q is also even. Q is also even. So it means we can say p and q, they both have common factor 2, as these both are even numbers. So p and q are even numbers, so it means they have a common factor 2. And if they have the common factor 2, but in the beginning we are assumption that p and q, they don't have any common factor, it's a contradiction here. So it means it's a contradiction, and so it means square root of 2 is a irrational number. Hence it is proof. I hope you like the video. Don't forget to like and share. Thank you. Hello students.